How to install Aerie or Aerie app on iPhone. So just tap get. It's quite popular app for American Eagle brand. If you like this brand, definitely give it a try. You can switch between brands on the app, curbside pickup, and then you can just earn this rewards. You can earn $5 rewards plus get free shipping and returns and so much more. And then you can just get some favorites. So yeah, then you can just link your real rewards account, get some free 2-day shipping and returns on order $50 or more, buy online and pick up in store curbside. So yeah, these are the things you can do. Definitely, if you like this brand, always look for if this brand has an app, because sometimes only inside of the app you can just find some perks and deals which are not available elsewhere.